everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily make cafe style cold coffee in 4 different ways using country bean instant coffee. So let's get started. To make the cold coffee, I'm going to use these 4 awesome instant coffee flavors from Country Bean. Country Bean is an instant flavored coffee brand, and what I like best about them is the option to choose from a variety of flavors like hazelnut, caramel, vanilla and others. The coffee does not contain added sugar and preservatives. It's 100% pure coffee powder without traces of chicory. To make the first coffee, I'm using Country Bean Caramel Instant Coffee Powder, which is my favorite. But before we proceed, let me quickly also show you this amazing plunger milk frother from Country Bean. This frother makes frothy coffee in just 10 to 12 seconds, extremely frothy and thick. This milk frother works with chilled milk too, isn't it great? Link to Country Bean coffee and frother given in video's description box. Use code given on the screen to get 15% off on your order. For the first coffee, I am taking 1 teaspoon of Country Bean Caramel Instant Coffee. Add your coffee to a bowl or a small cup. Next, add 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. Then 1 tablespoon water. I am using room temperature water since I am making cold coffee. Mix till it's well combined. You may use warm or hot water, but let the mixture cool down before you use it. Keep it aside. Next, to the milk frother, I'm adding 200 ml milk. Milk should be chilled in freezer for 10 to 12 minutes. Even if you have refrigerated your milk in the regular section of fridge, chill it in your freezer for 10 to 12 minutes or 7 to 10 minutes if it's already refrigerated. Move the plunger up and down for 10 to 15 seconds. This is a 400 ml frother. I had added 200 ml milk to it, but you can see the level of milk now. Add the coffee mixture to your serving glass or mug. Next, pour the frothy milk. After pouring a little, you can mix and then continue pouring the remaining milk. I still have some milk left in my mug. Finally, I'm garnishing it with some coffee powder. You can also add cocoa powder. Give it a gentle stir and enjoy. Let's move to the next flavor of coffee. Next, I'm making hazelnut coffee. The process is same. 1 teaspoon Country Bean Hazelnut Instant Coffee. Add it to a bowl or a small cup. Add 1 tablespoon powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon water. Give it a good stir and keep aside. Add 200 ml super chilled milk. Look at the level of frost on the frother. That is the level of milk inside the frother. It's gradually increasing. It's not necessary that you plunge it only for 10 to 15 seconds. You can do it a little more, but you wouldn't need that. A gentle stir and I'm going to pour the remaining frothy milk. I'm going to top this coffee with some whipped cream, so I'm leaving some space or gap on top. So I still have some milk left in my frother. Topping the coffee with whipped cream is optional. You can serve or decorate your coffee the way you want. I also added a little coffee powder on top. You can replace it with some cocoa powder. For the next flavor, that is cocoa mint, I'm using my mixer grinder. So in goes 200 ml super chilled milk. It's out of my freezer. Same like the other coffees. 1 teaspoon Country Bean Cocoa Mint Instant Coffee. And 1 tablespoon sugar. This is powdered sugar, so the volume of powdered sugar is more compared to your granulated sugar. So 1 tablespoon might sound a lot, but it's actually not. So after grinding for a few seconds, I'm pouring it in the same glass. But the amount of froth is not same. To achieve that in a mixer grinder, you will have to add ice cubes, probably some vanilla ice cream. So I've added the entire milk and you can see there's a lot of gap on top. Anyway, I'm topping it with some whipped cream. You can decorate your coffee the way you want, or you can simply skip decorating and have it just like that. Finally, with some sprinkles on top, this coffee is good to go. Let's move to the final flavor, that is vanilla flavor. Again, I'm taking everything in the same proportion, that is 1 teaspoon country bean vanilla instant coffee, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon water. Give it a good stir. Add 200 ml chilled milk to your frother. This frother is made of good quality stainless steel and is easy to clean too. Look at the delicious frothy milk. And next step is same. So I've got the same glass, I'm pouring the coffee mixture and in goes frothy milk, a little stir and remaining milk. I'm going to top this flavor of coffee with some chocolate syrup. Hope you enjoyed watching these 4 easy cafe style cold coffee. Give these recipes a try and enjoy.